How to use at reboot in /etc/cron.d. I am migrating individual users' cron tabs to /etc/cron.d, as that would allow proper backup, restore and versioning. So far, as I understand, the only difference between users' cron tabs and the etc. ones is that you have to specify the user as the sixth column. Is this right? And my main question, for which I couldn't find the answer anywhere on the internet. What is the right way to use at reboot in /etc/cron.d or /etc/crontab? Something like at reboot root command.
From the cron tab man page. Jobs in /etc/cron.d/. The jobs in cron.d are system jobs, which are used usually for more than one user. That's the reason why is name of the user needed. Mailto on the first line is optional. Example for job in /etc/cron.d/job. That's the whole section about cron tab in /etc, so I guess the inclusion of the user under whose name the job runs is indeed the only difference. Again from the same man page. These special time specification nicknames are supported, which replace the 5 initial time and date fields, and are prefixed by the @ character. At reboot, run once after reboot. Thus your inference that the proper way to use at reboot is correct.
If you're running it interactively as below, you don't specify the user. If you're putting it as a file in /etc/cron.d, for example /etc/cron.d/micron file, you need to put the user.
In case of /etc/crontab, you just have to add these lines. At reboot and nbsb semicolon, 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 and nbsb command. Where command can be any script or a single file.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.